Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the AI Niro Magic Show. In this video I'm going to show you how I take any legacy database, use magic and list all my databases SQLite. Now I could have used the dashboard to connect magic to an SQL Server database, MySQL database, a PostgreSQL database, even Supabase, or host the databases such as that. But in this video, I have an SQLite database called Chinook, which is like my go-to example because it's simple and it's a file-based database. Now, if I tell this guy to, I want you to create a new module named Chinook and generate CRUD API endpoints for artists and album tables. Get schema first. So now I'm basically creating a CRUD API wrapping two tables. I could have asked it to do all tables. And it's deterministic code, so I mean there's no AI inference happening here, so actually there cannot be a bug, not even in theory. It's literally theoretically impossible to create a bug here now, more or less, unless the orchestrating LLM manages to mess up its prompting, though I need to emphasize, or function invocations, etc. So, but let's see what it does here now. So that took roughly 4 minutes. I chose to fast forward a little bit. But let's try to test the endpoints. Now I need to emphasize at this point, the LLM actually created 10 endpoints for us with roughly 50 lines of code each. So we're talking about 500 lines of code. You got 10 HTTP API endpoints now. And they're in production, they can already be executed. Everything is on the server. If I log out and log in of my MCP server now, these endpoints are automatically being populated as tools in my MCP server. And I can add roles to MCP endpoints, allowing different users to access different types of functionality based upon what roles they happen to belong to. So now, I want to ask it a question. If you didn't have magic at all, but had to create this vanilla style with your existing tools, how much time and how many tokens would that consume? Do a comparison between magic, vanilla, Supabase, Zapier, let's do Lovable, N8N, long chain, etc. I want a comparison table focusing on time to market, speed of development and deployment, and costs, both tokens and money. Research Fable costs and GPT 5.6 costs in addition to Lovable, etc., and create a table for me. Now it needs to be done with the testing before this question pops into the pipeline. So let's just like forget about the testing and answer my latest question. So I mean, I could wait for the testing, of course, right? But you know, actually I guess it's already on its way answering it. So realize I created a CRUD API wrapping 2 tables, right? With Magic, it took 2 to 3 minutes. Well, if you have the professional plan, you don't actually need the professional plan. Actually, the least expensive you can get away with is $49. But okay, let's do that, guy. So then with Manila, manual plus Q Coder. Coder is the stuff I'm using here now. It's Alibaba's tool. So 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, so we've saved 85% of the time. It would have costed you $20. Actually, this $298 thing is rubbish because that's us hosting, so you can actually completely eliminate it. Supabase, 25 per month. Zapier, 30 to 60 minutes. Supabase, 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not entirely sure if I believe that, but okay. 15 to 30 minutes. Vanilla, 20 to 40 minutes. 30 to 60 minutes. 10 to 20. 15 to 30. And 2 to 3 minutes. So how much on average did you save with Magic? By the way, Magic has a monthly cost of 0. Yeah, so it saved about 90% of the time. It saved about 84% of the tokens. It saved about $0 to $60 per month. It saved about 50 to 95 cents per task. 100% less code, no code was written. That's kind of like not entirely true because it was, but it was just hidden from the orchestrator LLM. And 10 to 15 minutes saved on debugging. So time savings are about 88%, 84% on tokens. Costs is like anywhere between 0 to 100%. And tasks is, okay, you save about 50 cents per task. And then cognitive load, of course, is significant, implying the orchestrator LLM's IQ increases significantly because it no longer needs to deal with backend code or saving files or crap like that. So here's 37 hours per year. Token cost, this is a completely different price. Once Anthropic starts charging $50 per million output tokens, then we're talking about $600, $700, $800 per month. But okay, let's eat these up anyway. So anyways, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.